Join me as I clean my washing machine. And you can see I have a bunch of coins stuck in here. I think there ended up being like 4 or 5. I'll zoom in on these so you can see how wedged in they really are. I also have to tackle this, garden here. And this dirty door. Lots of pet hair, and I had long hair, and I have semi-long hair. I mean, it's shoulder length. And it gets trapped everywhere. So does the cat hair. And here I'm just showing you my tools. I've got a little scrubber to fit in the holes, and my big scrubber has my Dawn in it. I'm using these little screwdrivers, flatheads, to try and get out these coins. And I have cut down this process time a lot by just speeding up this footage and doing some cuts here. It took me a long time to get these out. Alright, now I'm going to use this scrub brush to tackle the seal around this inside. Alright, now I'm going to wipe it all down and just get that soap residue off of everything. Alright, next I'm going to tackle the dreaded drain plug. And first I have to pry off the cover. And then mine's not too, this is pretty easy access, really. The only thing that I forgot was the towel, so you'll see me end up grabbing a towel here in a little while after I open up that drain plug. Oh yeah, and I forgot to wipe down the door almost, so we did that here too. I had to get a little bit more leverage to open the drain plug here. It was really cranked on tight, so I got that wrench out. And here's my towel because it leaked quite a bit of water out. And to be honest, to me, it didn't really look that bad when I took it out. A little bit musty, moldy smelling, but cleaned up pretty good. Then I had to figure out what to do with the inside there that had a little bit of muck in it. So I busted out my paper towels and went in there. Gave it a good little scrub around. I didn't have any brushes that I could fit in there. Toilet brushes wouldn't fit in there. Pretty much nothing I had on hand was going to fit except for this little itty bitty one I had. I busted out my old Neil Med bottle. you know, like the nasal rinse bottle, I was just about to toss it, and I'm like, this is a great application for rinsing this out. So that actually worked really, really good to kind of power wash that out a little bit. Okay, y'all, here is the finished result. It looks pretty good in my opinion. What do you think?